and good morning. Our class for today starts with the date today. It's February 16, 2021, and today is a Tuesday. We always say good morning. And how about for the next part of our class? How about let's do the sight words? What are the sight words that we have for today? We have the word we, W-E, that makes the word we. We plan to go see the race cars in the racetrack. We have the word we. W-E makes the word we. How about the next one? We have another sentence for we. W-E, we. We will see the rocket ship go up in the air. We have the word we. What else do we have? We have the word we again. W-E makes the word we. We will cheer for my friend who likes to skate on a ramp. Our word is we. How about another sight word? We have the word will. W-I-L-L, that is will. I will feed the rat with a banana. Our word is will. What else? We have another sentence. I will look for all the rabbits in the zoo. Our word is will. And the last sentence for will, we have the man will row the boat. Our word is will. And how about we go to our review? What did we learn yesterday? It's the letter L, capital. We learned the letter R, capital R, and lowercase r. We have the capital and lowercase r. It has the r sound. And even though they don't look alike, they have the same sound, r. And look, what do we have here? We have the letter R for the rug. Capital R and lowercase r. R, U, and the letter G, rug. Let's circle our letter R's and mark an X on the other letters. We have R, this is S, this is T, this is letter R, this is P, and this is Q. We found all our letter R's. Remember, it has the R sound. And how do we write our letter R? First, draw a line, then add a rainbow, and add a ramp. You're ready to go. Capital letter R. How about the lowercase r? Small r is a rocket ship that makes a little swerve. To make it, draw a line and go back up and add a curve. We have lowercase r. Let's cover all our letter R's with the raincoat because raincoat begins with R. We have R, this is P, this is capital R, this is Q. This one is lowercase r. We have N, this one is lowercase r, this is Q. This is also R. This is P. We have capital Q. This one is lowercase r, another lowercase r. We have capital R and no more R's to cover. How about for the pictures that might have the R sound? Let's circle them, and the ones that don't begin with R, mark an X. We have a robot. Robot begins with R. Quail doesn't begin with R, it begins with Q. Raisins. Raisins begin with R. And rich. Rich begins with letter R. So those are some pictures with the R sound. And how about the letter R for the rainbow? Let's circle all the letter R's on our screen. Let's see how many letter R's can we find on our screen, and let's count them all. After circling all the R's, let's see how many letter R's do we have. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 R's and R is for the rainbow. And how about for our lowercase letter R? Let's look for lowercase r. R is for the rooster. Let's see how many lowercase r can we find on our screen. We have to circle them all first. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are also 17 lowercase r. R is for the rooster. And how about here? We have our robots in the lab. Let's put all the capital R robots in the lab. This is capital R. This one is also capital R. Only the robots with capital R should go in the lab. This one is capital R. We also have another one, capital R. This one is also capital R. This one, is this capital R? No, that's lowercase. This one is capital R. This one, this yellow robot, it has capital R. Let's put him in the lab. This blue robot, it's capital R also. How about this purple one? It's lowercase. This one, this is capital R. This one, it's lowercase. This one, it's capital R also. And the last one, is this capital R? No, this is lowercase. How about for our lowercase r robots? Let's see, let's put only the ones with lowercase r. Let me fix the screen. This one, it's lowercase r. This one, it's capital R. Let's put it back. This one, it's lowercase r. This one also, it's lowercase r. This pink robot, it's capital R. This one is lowercase. The purple robot has lowercase r. This yellow robot is capital R. This one has lowercase r. This one with a wheel also is lowercase r. This one, it has lowercase r. This one, it's capital. This one also, do we put in the lab? No, this is capital. And the last one, the green robot, it has lowercase r. We found all our robots with lowercase r. And how about for the things that has the r sound? Let's color our pictures. R is for the rain. Rain. R is for the rug. Rug. R is for recycle. Recycle. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. R is for the radio. Radio. R is for the rooster. Rooster. R is for the rose. Rose. And R is for the ring. Ring. How about for the pictures that might have the r sound? We have the things that might go in the letter R. Let's cover them with a star. Rainbow begins with R. Let's cover. Lamp doesn't begin with R. Rake has letter R. Watermelon doesn't go in R. Rocket is for R. Octopus doesn't begin with R. Piano also doesn't begin with R. But rabbit begins with R. Raspberry begins with R. Socks doesn't begin with R. Rain begins with R. Fire truck doesn't begin with R. Ring begins with R. Strawberry doesn't begin with R. But rope begins with R. We also have the robot. Robot begins with R. And koala doesn't begin with R. So those are some pictures with the r sound. And let's do our lesson. Let's put the things that might go in the R tree. The ones with the r sound. Do we put nest in R? No, nest doesn't go in R. How about queen? Do we put queen in R? No, also. Remember, R has the r sound. Orange, does it begin with R? No. How about ring? Yes, ring begins with R. Pizza? No, pizza doesn't go in R. How about the quince? Do we put quince? No, quince doesn't go in R. How about the rooster? Do we put rooster? Yes. How about radio? Yes. How about rabbit? Yes. How about quarter? Quarter? No. How about the ram? Ram? Yes. How about quilt? I think quilt goes in R. No, it doesn't go in R. How about Rob? Rob goes in R. Yes, Rob goes in R. How about rhino? Rhino. Yes, rhino goes in R. And how about rip? Rip. Does it go in R? Rip? Yes. So the things that has the R sound that are in our are three. We have the ring, the rip, rooster, radio, rabbit, ram, rob, and rhino. Those are some pictures that go in the letter R, which has the R sound. And let's do the things that has the R sound. Let's check for the picture with the R sound and mark an X on the picture that doesn't begin with R. Potato doesn't begin with R, but raincoat begins with R. Quail doesn't go in R. What else? We have fan. Fan begins with R. No. Mad begins with R. No also. But rat begins with R. How about the rose? Rose begins with R. Lamp doesn't begin with R. Van doesn't begin with R. How about queen? Queen doesn't begin with R. Igloo doesn't begin with R, but rabbit begins with R. How about the kid? Kid doesn't begin with the letter R. Rainbow begins with R, but jump rope? Do we check for jump rope? No, mark an X. How about the rug? Rug begins with R. Dress doesn't begin with R. Hat doesn't begin with R. And what are some words with the R sound? We have R is for the rain. We have our rain. It begins with letter R. R is also for the rug. You can find the rug on the floor. R is also for the rabbit. Rabbit. And R is also for the rainbow. Rainbow. Sometimes after the rain, you can see a rainbow. We also have R for the rake. Rake. And we also have R for the ring. Ring. So those are some pictures and words that begin with the letter R. And I will see you tomorrow on February 17, 2021. I will end my class here. Thank you for listening and watching our class video. Bye-bye!